Hello student, SJS welcomes you again. Dear student, next topic is spectrum. What is spectrum? As we know that when white light passes through a prism or spectroscope, it is split into 7 colors with their respective wavelength. This series of color band is known as spectrum. It means this is the source that is taken as a sun. From here white light falls on the प्रिज्म पर जब ये लाइट फॉल होती है तो ये 7 कलर में स्प्लिट हो जाते हैं. दिस इज नोन एज डिस्पर्जन. व्हेन दीज लाइंस ऑन द स्पेक्ट्रोग्राफ, दिस इज द स्पेक्ट्रोग्राफ, व्हेन दीज कलर लाइन observe on the spectrograph, then band of color lines is known as spectrum. Now dear student, as we know that spectrum are broadly classified in two groups: emission spectrum and absorption spectrum. What is emission spectrum? When radiation emitted from sun or electric discharge at low pressure or by heating some substance, and when these electric spark light pass through the prism, then receive on spectrograph, such spectrum is called emission spectrum. Dear student, when radiation takes place from sun or electric discharge, during electric discharge a spark light is generated. When these light pass through the prism, then it gives band of colors, band of lines. These line is known as emission spectrum. Depending upon the radiation source, emission spectrum further divided into three groups. First one is continuous spectrum. What is continuous spectrum? When white light from the sun or bulb, when white light source is sun or bulb passing through the prism, then a spectrum is formed that have no gap between the lines. It means when white light of sun or bulb pass through the prism, then they form a band of line. These lines such that they have no gap in between them. For here Bibgyor, here is no gap between the color lines. It means such spectrum is called continuous spectrum. What is discontinuous spectrum? When radiation from electric spark is passed through the prism, then spectrum form that is known as discontinuous spectrum. Such spectrum have no gap. Such spectrum have gap in between their color lines. It means when the light of electric spark pass through the prism, then they form the color line band in such way they have some dark patches, like here this is the dark patches and this is the color line. The color line with dark patches is known as discontinuous spectrum. Next one is band spectrum. What is band spectrum? When radiation takes place through molecule like nitrogen or chemical compound, such a spectrum form band or group with the same dark patches. Such spectrum is known as band spectrum. Here we observe here there are the different band of lines, there are the group of lines, there are the group of lines, and in between group of lines there are different patches is observed. It means when the radiation takes place through the molecule, when molecule combustion takes place like nitrogen combustion takes place, it produces light, it produces light. Then when this light pass through the prism, then they form such type of spectrum, and this is known as band spectrum. Next is next new topic of spectrum is second, absorption spectrum. What is absorption spectrum? When white light pass through the some absorbent solution or vapor of chemical substance, then on analyzing through the spectroscope, some dark line are observed and rest absorbed by the material, such spectrum is called absorption spectrum. It means when white light pass through the absorbent, this is the absorbent. When white light pass through the absorbent, then this material absorbs some wavelength of light, and few lines are observed at an output, and such spectrum is called absorption spectrum. Here the spectrum topic is completed. So listen carefully and learn it and try to note down in your notebook. That's all for this video. As just will see you again. Thank you.